Every year, wildfires ravage Los Angeles, leaving a trail of destruction that's hard to fathom. From lives lost to billions of dollars in damages, the story of these fires is one of heartbreak, resilience, and lessons we must learn. Stay with us as we uncover the staggering impact of LA's wildfires. Wildfires have become an unfortunate hallmark of life in Los Angeles. The Woolsey fire alone destroyed nearly 1,500 structures and caused over $6 billion in damages. But why is LA so prone to these devastating fires? It's a deadly combination of climate change, dry conditions, and urban sprawl. The financial toll of these fires is staggering. Over the past decade, wildfires have cost Los Angeles more than $20 billion. Insurance companies have struggled to keep up, with claims soaring year after year. And it's not just homes that are lost, businesses, schools, and infrastructure are also caught in the flames. The impact isn't just financial. Wildfires leave scars on the environment and the people of Los Angeles. Entire ecosystems are wiped out, air quality plummets, and the emotional toll on residents is immeasurable. Families lose their homes, and in some cases, their loved ones. So, what's being done to prevent future disasters? Los Angeles has invested in advanced firefighting technology, early warning systems, and community education programs. But there's more we can do, advocating for stricter building codes, increasing funding for prevention programs, and taking climate action seriously. Wildfires may test the resilience of Los Angeles, but they also remind us of the strength of its people. Together, we can learn from these disasters and create a safer, brighter future for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time as we explore more stories that shape our world. What do you think is the most effective way to combat wildfires? Comment below.